guys, so welcome to today's video. Today we'll be taking Rex's MR2 to the toge. And my neighbour just looked at me. That was bad. That was not good. Alright, so take two of that. So today we're taking Rex's MR2 to the toge because he just got his new exhaust completed. Taken a couple of weeks, but it should be good. Oh, it stinks. No muffler, going like directly back into the cabin is so bad. But yeah. The neighbour came out just before and was looking at me, so I might put the clip in, but you see me get awkward as shit behind the camera. He was just looking at me. But yeah. Alright, so sadly, no, the Bimwa is not going to the toge. But I love not having a key also that doesn't work. You have to manually do everything. But no, she's not going to the hills. But yeah, it'd be cool to see how Rex's car performs. I've never really been in it whilst he's actually like properly driven it. And yeah, he should be here in like 10 minutes, so I'll cut to when he's here. What do we have here? Bimwa Rexton.
Oh, yeah, it's much better.
So much.
I like it now.
More polite.
I don't hate driving it. It's not shit. That's the word.
The loud exhaust wasn't shit. The loud exhaust was just unbearable at highway speeds. According
Actually
to
so drony.
said driver.
Oh yes. Alright.
Alright, so one of my neighbours has an MR2 turbo around the corner from mine, and I see it every time on my way to Rex's. And if you look at Rex's car, it is low and then dune buggy. But it's such a cool before and after when you look at the two, especially from angles like this where you can literally see everything, especially the ride height. Rex's car looks bagged compared to it. Look at him. Look at this dude. Alright guys, so with the current situation with the virus and all that shit, we've decided not to go to the hills. But we're still getting some audio clips of the exhaust for you. So the road we're at now, if you follow my Instagram, you remember the shot of Troy's Camaro? Right about here. So it sounds good. It sounds very good. I'll get Rex's footage that I've just taken on his camera and slap it in right now. So this road is pretty dead straight, and of course we are not breaking any speed limit, so it's all good. It's all good. Do you want to do like a launch from the middle first, or do you want to do like a drive-by?
I'll do a launch first. I'll
Yeah.
quickly turn around. Power steering life. There you go, right in the middle.
Holy shit, that sounded so good. It's so much more defined.
So much nicer. Not like stupid.
I rate it. It's nice.
Yeah, man.
It's very nice.
How does it sound?
Dude, it sounds fucking nuts. Good? Like so good.
Yes.
So we got Rex here stealing my job.
thumbnail pictures.
He's now a full-time automotive photographer. He's even on his own camera now. He's official. You need to get your own banner and everything for your car. Rex H Photography.
Rex H Photography.
Look at him go.
I'm just trying to get a good thumbnail shot. That's the main thing. Oh fuck! Is he trying to race me, bro?
That's fucked. Oh. So,
Negative acceleration.
We've got a FIVO again.
What's FIVO? Wanna be Evo?
I don't know what it is with Australians and buying potato lancers and slapping an Evo kit on them. But if I find out any of you guys have done it, I will come to your house very upset.
Oh, he's getting up and
oh yeah, look at it. Oh, real car.
why do I smell the BMW's oil?
Oh,
It's it's 335.
It's a FIVO.
I can beat a 335,
Oh.
dude.
You hand out that chop.
I can hand out a chop if it's stationary.
Oh,
I raced the 135.
that's some smelly oil, my dudes.
Yeah.
Back to the point. Stop making fake Evos, Australia. It's not cool. It's just like putting a Chevy badge on a Holden. No bueno. Dog vlog. Yes.
Vlog dog.
The dogs. Can you whip who this?
Daily.
Daily?
Daily.
It's got BMW brake dust status.
You're on the fronts, yeah. Sports car, dude. Leave it alone.
Sports car?
Yeah, well, let's do it. It's not registered.
Dude, it'll run like a bag of dicks.
So yeah, I'll quickly show you a
Bag of dicks.
he's
Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could
So it's
give you
quick.
satisfaction.
Going along, go straight, yeah. No, I'll turn this down so I can record. There's a car in front of us though. I hate GTIs, man. Oh my! Why is the car?
They just did a skid!
Yeah.
They're a fat skid!
Just gonna drop the clutch, dude, and it just fucking lights them up.
That was dope. This is some unplanned awesomeness in our day.
Fuck. You know, that's what your car will sound like if you do that. If you do a 1J, you don't get that sound like a LS. So I reckon you do that, dude.
We still need to make the video. I don't know when I'll make it. Maybe next week's video can be a rundown of my build plans for the car. But
Jesus Christ, dude. See?
that is the sound of Gapplebee's behind you. Andrew's car is Gapplebee's in a nutshell.
The boss.
Have you ever been to Gapplebee's?
I think I just did, and I picked up myself some good gaps.
We're about to go there. Yeah. Oh, hello car.
Hello, moto.
Fucking turn into an MR2. I want to wake up tomorrow.
You want an MR2 now?
Every time I hop in these fucking cars.
You want it more and more.
Yeah.
Alright, my dude.
Later, dude.
Show you see ya. Oh,
Oh, that wasn't social distancing.
oh no!
I'm gonna get demonetized. And now's the part where we go inside because my neighbours are fuckwits.